Very good morning, students. As you all know that in our last class we discussed about present perfect tense with structure, helping verb and main verb. Right now it's time to write the examples of the same tense. As you can see the primer I have mentioned present perfect tense, but you don't need to mention your fair notebook at all because already we have written the structure and the main points of present perfect tense in our last class, in last video. So let's take the example of present perfect tense one by one. We'll discuss it about, let's say right now. Example number first of present perfect tense is I have written an article on child labor. I have written an article on child labor just now. The example number first is of affirmative sentence. That's why I haven't used not and negative interrogative sentence at all. I have written an article on child labor just now. Example number second. She hasn't decided about it yet. Example number second speaks about negative sentence because I have mentioned not here. As you all know that the helping verbs of present perfect tense are basically hasn't, have, the main verb is third form. So where there is hasn't, have plus third form, the sentence will be of present perfect tense. Okay. Example number second is she has not decided about it yet. Let's have example number third, interrogative. It is interrogative sentence. Have they played their games there? Have they played their games there? Recently, with question mark. Have played, third form. Example number 4 is has she not taught this concept of chemistry just now. So example number 4 basically of your interrogative negative sentence because I mentioned helping verb before your subject and not is here. Okay, is it clear? Let's say WH word sentence, or you can write loud the same example like in this form. Hasn't she taught with question mark, with question marks. Next is WH word sentence. Example number first. How Mr. Akash, how has Mr. Akash example number first is how has Mr. Akash lived at 7th Street in London since 2005. As you all know that in WH word sentence we have to mention the helping verb before subject, and your helping verb should be before subject and main verb will be just after your subject. Example number second. Where have these people, example number second is where have these people performed well. Example number second is where have these people performed well recently. So you can see that these examples basically are of a present perfect tense, because I have used in this example has and have plus third form. Example number first basically speaks about your affirmative sentence, then you have your negative, then you have your interrogative sentence, and then interrogative negative sentence. Then after that you have two examples of WH word. You can mention not in either in this example or this one, that will become your WH word in negative sentence. Okay, let's speak about these examples one by one, then after this we'll have the next tense. Okay, example, as you know that very well, in present perfect tense the helping verbs are has and have plus third form, and basically present perfect tense speaks about those past action or the past action that was started in past, that was completed in past but still has an influence of present time. I repeat that again. Present perfect tense speaks about those past action that were started in past, that were completed in past but still has an influence on present action or time. Okay, the same thing we had discussed in the last class is very well. Those past action that were completed in past basically, okay, but still has an influence of present time speaks about present perfect tense. इनका influence होता है present action पर, ये ख़त्म तो हो चुके होते हैं आपके पास के अंदर ही, लेकिन still they has an influence of present time. That's why it is counted in present perfect tense. Maybe the form is third form. Okay. Example number first is I have written an article on child labor. I have written an article on child labor just now. कि मैं अभी just now mean अभी. हालांकि जो action है आर्टिकल लिखने का पूरा हो चुका है, हालांकि जो एक्शन है आर्टिकल लिखने का पूरा हो चुका है, but still it has an impact on present time. That's why this example is of present perfect tense. I have written an article on child labor just now. कि अभी मैं child labor पर एक article जो है लिख चुका हूँ. I have written has and have plus third form, and with the person like I have used it, we use have. With he, she, it, we use has, and with are you, with they, we use have. So I have written an article on child labor just now. मैं अभी जो है चाइल्ड लेबर पर, बाल श्रमिक पर एक आर्टिकल लिख चुका हूँ. इन ट्रांसलेशन जब भी आप ट्रांसलेशन करेंगे तो आप देखेंगे चुका है, चुकी है, आ है, ई है, इसमें आपको मिलेगा. एग्जाम्पल लेवल सेकंड, चेक इट आउट. शी हैज़ नॉट डिसाइडेड अबाउट इट येट. येट वी आल्सो इज एन एडवर्ब ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. येट यहाँ पे जो एडवर्ब आप देख रहे हैं वो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का ही एडवर्ब है. शी हैज़ नॉट डिसाइडेड अबाउट इट येट, कि उसने अभी तक जो है इसके बारे में निर्णय नहीं लिया है. ओके, या इसके बारे में निर्णय नहीं कर चुकी है. द ट्रांसलेशन में भी ऑफ चुका है, चुकी है, और यू कैन प्रोसीड विद आ है, ई है, इज डिपेंड अपॉन योर सेंटेंसेस. शी हैज़ नॉट डिसाइडेड अबाउट इट येट. उसने इसके बारे में निर्णय नहीं लिया है अभी तक नहीं लिया है. द गिवन एग्जाम्पल इज अ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट नेगेटिव वन, हैज़ plus not plus third form. Okay, you can see that the action has been completed, has not decided, she has not decided, decide कर नहीं लिया है, लेकिन फिलहाल वो completion के अंदर है, because the third form is there, but still he has an impact on present time, yet अभी तक नहीं लिया है. The action is of basically past third form, but still is an impact on present time because of just now अभी ऐसा हुआ है, और present time was confused, so that's why it's known is this tense is known as present perfect tense. Example number third is of your interrogative one. I have mentioned question mark here, or in interrogative sentences we just use helping verb before subject as per the structure we have discussed before. Has and have, basically have used with have, plural subject we have they. Have they played their games there? There means adverb यहाँ पर है there. Where? There. Recently, हाल ही में. Have they played their games there recently? क्या वह, ट्रांसलेशन करने पे इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस में क्या लेना पड़ेगा, क्या वे वहाँ पर रिसेंटली अभी हाल ही में अपना गेम खेल चुके हैं. तो क्या वे अपना जो गेम है रिसेंटली हाल ही में वहाँ पर खेल चुके हैं? द एग्जाम्पल अगेन इफ इज ऑफ योर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस interrogative one. So let's say the number fourth one, has she not taught this concept of chemistry just now? Has she not taught this concept of chemistry just now? Just now mean to say abhi haal hi mein. Has basically is an helping verb of your basically your present perfect tense. It is used with singular verb, singular subject. She is a singular subject. So has she not taught this concept of chemistry just now? क्या उसने केमिस्ट्री के इस कॉन्सेप्ट को अभी हाल ही में नहीं टॉट पढ़ाया है? अभी हाल ही में नहीं पढ़ाया, क्या उसने केमिस्ट्री के इस कॉन्सेप्ट को, दिस कॉन्सेप्ट, द कॉन्सेप्ट यू आर मे बी द स्टूडेंट इज हैविंग इन द क्लासरूम, इस कॉन्सेप्ट को नहीं पढ़ाया है? तो दिस एग्जाम्पल बेसिकली ऑफ योर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस दैट हैज द साइन ऑफ नेगेटिव और नेगेशन इन इंटरोगेटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. So the sentence that has no actually a sentence that has no sign of interrogation or sign of basically a question mark or not. अगर sentence में not नहीं है, question mark नहीं है, it means that the example basically of your affirmative sentence, if there is not in any sentence, it means the sentence will be your negative. If there is has and have before subject, it means the example will be of your interrogative. If you have has and have before subject plus not, it means that example will be of your negative interrogative or interrogative negative sentence. Okay, or you can write down the same sense, the same example in this form also, like you can mention lot like in anti form hasn't, haven't. Okay, ऐसे करके लिखेंगे तो not आपका आगे ऑटोमेटिक आ जाएगा. So these example basically speaks about those past action that were completed in past but still has an influence on present time. Speaks about present perfect tense. Okay, the adverbs of present perfect tense are, you know that very well, like ever, never, so far, yet, up to now, up to present, recently. Okay, and since and for. And since and for, these kind of example basically of your, these kind of adverbs basically are of your present perfect tense, and examples are of your present perfect tense. WS sentence, I have told you before in last classes that just add WS word. Just add WS word. Just add your WS word before your interrogative and negative interrogative sentence. The sentence or example will become your WS word. Just I have mentioned here, how has Mr. Akash lived? How has Mr. Akash lived? Lived यहाँ पे action आपका form है. Has, I have mentioned that. Don't forget that in WH word we have to mention the help, WH word or interrogative sentence, we have to mention the helping verb before the subject. Before the subject. Example number first is, how has Mr. Akash? How has Mr. Akash lived at 7th Street? Where? At 7th Street in London. Where? In London. Okay, at 7th Street London since 2005. Since 2005. कि मिस्टर आकाश जो है लंदन में 7th Street is a name of basically is a street or a place like we have Ganesh Nagar, Sham Nagar is the 7th Street in London. कि मिस्टर आकाश जो है लंदन में 7th Street पर, मिस्टर आकाश जो है लंदन में 7th Street पर since 2005 से कैसे रह चुके हैं? 2005 से कैसे रह चुके हैं? It means that the basically action is of your past, the completion of past, but still has an influence of present time. Don't forget that since and for is also used in present perfect continuous tense. Don't forget that since and for is also used in present perfect continuous tense. But when we speaks about these two adverbs in present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense, there is a quite difference in using of these adverbs. For example, I have used here since 2005. Since 2005, I have mentioned here since 2005, but it means that since 2005 means that यहाँ पे mention करा has lived, but it means that still Mr. Akash is living there. इसका मतलब है कि अभी भी मिस्टर आकाश वहाँ पर रह रहे हैं. In present perfect tense, don't forget that if you are mentioning or if you have mentioned since and for, it means that the action अभी भी जारी है. 2005 से वो रह तो चुके हैं, लेकिन स्टिल दे आर लिविंग एट 7th स्ट्रीट इन जयपुर. इज द क्लियर? एग्जाम्पल नंबर, वेयर हैव दीज पीपल परफॉर्म्ड वेल रिसेंटली. वेयर हैव दीज पीपल, इन लोगों ने जो है कहाँ पर रिसेंटली हाल ही में अच्छी प्रकार से परफॉर्म किया है, परफॉर्म कर चुके हैं. तो बेसिकली दिस एग्जाम्पल स्पीक्स अबाउट योर लाइक हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैज एंड हैव, एंड द मेन वर्ब शुड बी ऑफ योर थर्ड फॉर्म. ओके, you can mention like not here. This example will become your WH negative interrogative sentence. Okay. She has lived here since 2015. I repeat the example again just for the clarification all of you. She has lived here. The example is of basically your present perfect tense. The example is of your present perfect tense because we have used has and have, has or plus third form. And has is a helping of your present perfect tense, and lived is a third form which is basically used in present perfect tense essentially. So here is an adverb, मतलब यहाँ पर she has lived here since 2005. कि 2005 से वो यहाँ पर जो है कोई भी प्लेस लगा लो, एट गणेश नगर, एट गणेश नगर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी हैज़ लिव्ड एट गणेश नगर सिंस 2005. अब इसकी ट्रांसलेशन करोगे तो क्या होगा? 2005 से वो गणेश नगर पर या फिर यहाँ पर रह चुके, इसका मतलब अभी नहीं रहती है. ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. इट मीन्स दैट कि शी स्टिल लिविंग, living. That's the beauty of present perfect tense, because I repeat that again, it speaks about those past action that were completed in past but still has an influence on present time. Is it clear, students? Don't forget that whenever you use basically since and for present perfect tense in present perfect means that the person is still working there, the person is still living there, the person is still basically doing action there. Okay, is it clear? So these examples are basically your present perfect tense. Let's have the next tense. If you have any doubts, you can just send a message to my personal WhatsApp number officially. Okay. The next tense is present perfect continuous tense. We'll discuss about the only example. As you know that in table number first I have mentioned everything, but I'm not going to write the basic structure like I have mentioned present indefinite, present continuous and present perfect tense, because just do the same course of action as per your own way. Okay, just mention like identity, पहचान उसकी mention करें, से रहा है, से रहे, से रहे. Helping verbs are basically has been and have been, and the main verb is first one plus ing, and the main verb is first one plus ing. I repeat that again. Identity, से रहा है, से रही है, से रहे हैं, and basically helping verbs are has been and have been, and the main verb is first one plus ing, and the main verb is first one plus ing. Then after that mention like we'll use has been with he, she, it, and we'll use have been with I, you, we, they. Is that clear? And as far as the matter of your adverbs are concerned, adverbs are since and for. Adverbs are since and for. It means that the examples of present perfect continuous tense will be proceed with only two adverbs, and these are since and for. And these are since and for. Let's have it now. We'll discuss about the use of since and for first. Okay. So let's have the discussion about since and for orally, because we'll discuss about the example. It's a huge chapter. It's time to complete the chapter as soon as possible because the syllabus is too pending. Let's have it now. The use of since and for. As I mentioned in table number first, students, that and there is statement which has left exactly. I repeat it again. While we have the examples of past tense or future tense, we will not discuss about the structure or will not discuss about the basic at all. Is it clear? Because everything will be counted or included in your table number 2. Is it clear? Just we have done in table number first. बिकॉज स्ट्रक्चर अब आप सभी को पता कैसे करना है, जो प्रेजेंट टेंस में जो इंडेफिनिट कॉन्टिन्यूस का परफेक्ट का स्ट्रक्चर बनाया है उसी के बेस पे आपको सब कुछ करना, अफर्मेटिव नेगेटिव बना लेना अपने आप. इट्स नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट जॉब, यू कैन इजीली डू दैट. वी डिस्कस अबाउट द एग्जांपल ओके ऑफ द टेंस वी आर हैविंग नाउ. So we were having the point like since and for. Let's have it now. तो use of since and for in present perfect continuous tense. Basically since speaks about point of time. We use since for point of time. I repeat that again. You have to make your notes with the help of my oral communication. Okay, so use of since, basically we use since for point of time. कि since जो हम लोग point of time के लिए use करते हैं, we use since for point of time, and we use for period of time, and we use for period of time. We use for period of time. अब एग्जाम्पल की बात करें तो पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम में से टाइम बिल्कुल आपका पॉइंट होना चाहिए, बिल्कुल पॉइंट भी होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ड्यूरेशन ना हो, समय काल ना हो उसमें, लाइक 2 मिनट्स 3 मिनट्स 4 मिनट्स या फिर 3 आवर्स या 50 डेज का या 50 ईयर्स का, उसमें ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम होना चाहिए. इज इट क्लियर? ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम बेसिकली यूज इन फोर. ओके, पीरियड और ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम. तो since we use for point of time while for we use for period of time. So let's have the examples of like point of time since Monday. अगला आप बताओ. Since Monday, since Friday. Okay, since Friday. Then we can have since 2 o'clock. Is it? We can have idea लगाओ और कौन सा होगा बताओ. Tell me the right answer. Then we can have since 4 o'clock. Is it clear? Let's have it like since 2 o'clock to since 12 o'clock. Since Monday, okay, since Sunday, since January, since December. January से December नहीं, since January, since February, since March, since December तक आप ऐसा ले सकते हैं. Since 1948, since 2005. These kind of basically points of time. एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम की मंडे से ऐसा हो रहा है, ओके, संडे से ऐसा हो रहा है, जनवरी से ऐसा हो रहा है, 1948 से ऐसा हो रहा है, 1948 से वो यहाँ पर ऐसा लीव कर रहे हैं, 2005 से वर्क कर रहे हैं. पर्टिकुलर टाइम, एक फिक्स टाइम बताना पड़ेगा आपको. ओके, इन सिंस वी लूज पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. ओके, बिल्कुल पॉइंट होगा. वेल व्हेन वी स्पीक अबाउट फॉर, इट स्पीक्स अबाउट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में से समय का एक पीरियड होना चाहिए, एक समय काल होना चाहिए. इट मीन्स दैट लाइक फॉर 1 minute, because in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. It's a काल, एक समय काल हो गया. It's not since 1 minute. We cannot say since 1 minute, since 2 hours. We should say like for 1 minute, for 2 hours, for 3 hours, for 50 hours, for 1 week, for 6 weeks, for 1 year, for 50 years. Is it clear? So basically these adverbs speaks about point of time and period of time. Let's say the example of present perfect tense. Don't forget that you have to write down the basic things that we have just like similarly we have mentioned in present indefinite, continuous and perfect tense. पूरा स्ट्रक्चर वगैरह सब बनाना है आपको सभी को, हेल्प लेके पिछले जो स्ट्रक्चर उनकी हेल्प से. ओके, बाकी सब सेम रहेगा. Or while you have your negative sentence, or instead of getting negative sentence, don't forget that like the helping verbs are has been, and the main has been and have been, and the main verb is first form plus ing. You know that very well, first form plus ing. But the negative will be like has been, not plus first form plus ing. Wrong है, and the right answer is has not been plus first form plus ing. Okay, you just mention not here. Okay, आपको been के बाद not नहीं लगाना है, not इसके सेंटर में आएगा. Okay, like has not been I have mentioned here. So let's say the examples of present perfect continuous tense. Example number first. It has been. Its singular subject has been raining in Jaipur since 2 o'clock. It has been raining in Jaipur since 2 o'clock. Example number second. They have not been walking in that MNC. Okay, they have not been working in that MNC for 3 years. For 3 years. For 3 years. Interrogative sentence. Have those people been migrating from the coastal side? Have those people been migrating from the coastal side since Friday? Okay. Has Akash not been learning? Has Akash not been learning her lessons? Has Akash not been learning her lessons for 3 weeks? For 3 weeks. WH word sentence. The next we'll have WH word sentence. Why has Mrs. Priya been knitting? Why has Mrs. Priya, subject, has been knitting a sweater since four o'clock? Next, where have they not been? Where have they not been playing cricket for 2 days? So these examples basically are you can see that present perfect continuous tense, because I have used in this example since 2 o'clock, 4, then we have since, okay, then we have again we have 4, then we have since 4 o'clock, okay, since 4 o'clock, then we have 4, 2 days, okay. And the same adverbs are used in present perfect, but in that tense that has an action, in fact that has an action still on present time, but there is this kind of action, this kind of rule is not implemented in present perfect continuous tense and all. यहाँ present perfect continuous tense speaks about those action speaks about those actions that are continued from a certain time period, जो किसी सुनिश्चित समय से जो है continued है, चल रहे हैं और लगातार कार्य कर रहे हैं, चल रहे हैं. Okay. It has been raining in Jaipur since 2 o'clock. You can see that affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative. I have used have before your subject. Has, Akash, not negative interrogative. Then plain your WH word sentence. Just add your WH word before these two. You will have your WH word sentence easily. Let's do the translation one by one. The tense basically is of your present perfect continuous tense. The example number first is it has been raining in Jaipur since 2 o'clock. It has been raining. It has been raining. कि बारिश हो रही है, बारिश हो रही है. And for the rain we use the it pronoun. रेन के लिए क्या आता है, इट यूज़ करते हैं बिकॉज नॉन लिविंग थिंग है. ओके. इट हैज़ बीन रेनिंग इन जयपुर सिंस 2 o'clock. 2 बजे से जो है जयपुर में बारिश हो रही है. इट स्पीक्स अबाउट दूज एक्शन दैट कंटिन्यूड फ्रॉम अ सर्टेन टाइम पीरियड, जो कि सर्टेन टाइम पीरियड से जो है सर्टेन टाइम से चालू है, उसे हम लोग प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस में काउंट करते हैं. ओके. इट हैज़ बीन रेनिंग इन जयपुर सिंस 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock से जयपुर में रेन हो रही है, बारिश हो रही है. 2 बजे से जयपुर में बारिश हो रही है. They have not been working in that MNC. MNC stand for multinational company. MNC stand for multinational company. Is a kind of basically, you know, a big factory, a big company. Okay, MNC, multinational company, bahurashtriya company. They have not been, because an example is of negative. They have not been working in that MNC for 3 years. For 3 years. कि वे 3 सालों से उस MNC में कार्य या काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, नहीं कर रहे हैं. They have not been working in that MNC for 3 years. कि 3 सालों से वे उस MNC में, उस मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी में काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. Example number 3, the same I have told you that they just use your helping verb before your subject in interrogative sentence. Then the same will you easily find out in your answers. Has and have those people been migrating from the coastal side since Friday. Have those people, क्या have those people, और when you have the translation of interrogative sentences, क्या ऐसा कर रहे हैं, क्या ऐसा हो रहा है, क्या वो ऐसा पढ़ा रहे हैं, क्या वो ऐसा कर रहे हैं, वगैरह वगैरह, तो क्या से ट्रांसलेशन होगा. ओके. have those people been migrating from the coastal side since Friday. क्या वो लोग जो हैं coastal side से, coastal side मीन तटीय क्षेत्र, समुद्र किनारे जो एरिया होता है coastal एरिया बोलते हैं, तटीय क्षेत्र. Have those people been migrating from the coastal side since Friday. क्या वो लोग जो हैं coastal side से, तटीय क्षेत्र से शुक्रवार से माइग्रेट कर रहे हैं, प्रवास कर रहे हैं. I have used migrating, so been, has we have, has and have been plus first one plus ing. These examples are basically based on your structure, or with the help of these examples you can easily construct your structure. Structure is not a matter of debate or discussion here at all, because we learnt a lot about how to write the structure basically. Okay. Example number 4 is has Akash not been learning his lesson. Because Akash is basically female character. Akash is a female character, is also a male character. So for male basically we should use his, not her. Okay. So has Akash not been learning his lesson for 3 weeks. क्या आकाश जो है 3 वीक से, 3 सप्ताह से जो अपनी लेसन, अपने अध्यायों को लर्न नहीं कर रहा है. ओके. आई हैव इम्प्रूव दैट. हैज़ आकाश नॉट बीन लर्निंग हिज लेसन फॉर 3 वीक्स. क्या आकाश 3 वीक से, 3 सप्ताह से अपने लेसन्स को, अपने अध्यायों को लर्न नहीं कर रहा है. ओके. बिकॉज रहा है, रही है बेसिकली इज एन आइडेंटिटी, इज एन पहचान ऑफ द गिवन टेंस. इट इज प्रेजेंट perfect continuous tense. Has Akash not been learning his lessons for 3 weeks? क्या आकाश जो है 3 वीक से, 3 सप्ताह से अपने lessons learn नहीं कर रहा है. और basically her, we use her for female or girls. Okay. और we have to use his, like his यहाँ पे आपका possessive adjective है, his lesson. तो possessive adjective like his we use for the male character. The Akash we have male subject. Okay. So has Akash not been learning his lesson for 3 weeks? Is it clear, students? These examples basically based on your structure: affirmative, negative, interrogative, interrogative, negative, your WH word. If you're writing your sentences by adding WH word here, you will have your same answer. Just get the point of idea of the given tense very well. Okay. Why has Mr. Priya? Why has Mr. Priya? I have mentioned Mr. Priya. What's wrong here? We cannot say Mr. Priya. Just add as here. Just add as here Mrs. Priya. So why has Mrs. Priya been knitting a sweater since 4 o'clock? Since 4 o'clock. Okay. Why has Mrs. Priya? Okay, because a female cannot be Mr. at all. So you have to change Mrs. here. Why has Mrs. Priya? Why has Mrs. Priya been knitting a sweater since 4 o'clock? कि मिसेस प्रिया जो है 4 बजे से जो है स्वेटर क्यों बना रही है? Because I mentioned why here. Why here? Why has Mrs. Priya been knitting a sweater since 4 o'clock? Since 4 o'clock. कि मिसेस प्रिया जो है 4 o'clock से जो है स्वेटर क्यों बना रही है? मिसेस प्रिया 4 बजे से जो है स्वेटर क्यों बुन रही है, क्यों बना रही है? Is it clear? I repeat that again. मिस्टर नहीं आएगा, प्रिया है तो मिसेस करना पड़ेगा with question mark because example is of your WH word sentence interrogative one. So why has Mrs. Priya been knitting a sweater since 4 o'clock? Has been plus first plus ing. Subject WH word plus helping verb. Subject been plus first plus ing. Object adverb since 4 o'clock. Is it clear? Any question? The same thing I mentioned. WH word, helping verb, subject, not, been, plus first plus ing, and for object cricket for 2 days is your adverb. Okay. So where have they not been playing cricket for 2 days? कि 2 दिनों से वह कहाँ पर? कि 2 दिनों से वह कहाँ पर क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहे हैं? Is it clear? कि 2 दिनों से वह कहाँ पर क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहे हैं? So these example basically speaks about your since and for. We use since and for in these example. Okay, it speaks about those action basically that are continued from a certain time period. जो कि सुनिश्चित समय से जो है चालू हैं, चल रहे हैं. It's present perfect continuous tense. Let's have the next one. The next we'll have, don't forget the students, I told you before that we'll not discuss about the structure at all. I'll mention everything, the basics of the tense and everything in table. I just write down the basic and structure as per your only because we have learned a lot about the same thing in our previous classes. So we'll discuss about only helping verbs and examples. And table number 2 speaks about everything. Let's have the table number 2 for the past tense. Lesser table number 2. Past tense. I'll mention everything in this table. Okay, is it clear? Like even adverbs. Okay, we'll not discuss about these kind of things in examples before examples at all because we'll complete the past tense as soon as possible. Okay, let's have your table number 2. Just write down here past tense, and helping verb and main verb. Helping verb and main verb, adverbs. Helping verb and main verb, adverbs. Let's have Number 1, past indefinite tense. The पहचान or the identity is था, थे, थी. The first one is past indefinite tense. The helping verb is did, and the main verb is first form. The helping verb is did and the main verb is first form. Main verb is first form and the main verb is first form. Okay. He, she, it, I, you, we and they. We'll use did with singular and plural subject. तो सब्जेक्ट आपका चाहे सिंगुलर हो चाहे प्लूरल हो, आपको डिड यूज करना है. तो सब्जेक्ट ईदर योर सब्जेक्ट इज सिंगुलर और प्लूरल, जस्ट यूज डिड देयर. ओके. द नेक्स्ट नोट, we shall use only second form. Don't forget that the most important thing in past indefinite tense, we shall use only second form in affirmative sentence. In affirmative sentence. Beautiful line we have. It means the affirmative sentence did plus first form will not be used at all. Is it clear? Just use second form there. Just use second form there. Helping verb like did and the main verb first form will not be used there. In affirmative sentence you have to mention, you have to use only second form. Only second form. The same thing we did. Okay, just similarly the same thing we did in present indefinite affirmative one. In simple present tense or affirmative sentence, in simple present tense, present indefinite tense, affirmative sentence, okay, we wrote that there, basically we wrote there only first form or first form with s and es will be used in present indefinite tense, in the affirmative sentence or present indefinite tense. ये present indefinite के affirmative sentence में only first form और first form के साथ s और es यूज होगा. हमने सेम किया था. बेसिकली सिमिलरली कुछ यहाँ पर भी ऐसा हो रहा है. इन affirmative sentence we'll use only second form. Only second form. So let's have the adverbs are ago, yesterday, morning, tonight. Then we have last day, last morning, tonight. Then we have last day, then we have last day, last morning, tonight. Then last week, last month, last year, plus all the past dates and time, plus all the past dates and time, plus all the past dates and time. Example, March 1945, okay, 1948. Next we have 1999, 2005, 2000, even 19, etc. These kind of time expression or these kind of adverbs will be used in past indefinite tense. You can see that past indefinite tense basically पहचान इसकी खाते थी आपको पता ही है identity इसकी, and the helping verb is did, and the main verb is first form. Will use did with singular and plural subject. Okay, he, she, it, and I, you, we, they. And don't forget that we shall use only second form in affirmative sentence. In affirmative sentence, we'll have only second form. You cannot use, you should not use, okay, did plus first form at all there. Or as far as the matter of adverbs are concerned, ago, yesterday, morning to night, morning, yesterday morning, yesterday noon, yesterday evening, yesterday night, okay, like that. Next, last day, we have last day, last morning to night, last week, last month, last year, etc. All the past dates and time. All the past dates and time, सभी भूतकाल की, past की जो भी सारी dates आपकी है, time है, just mention in past indefinite tense. Don't forget that. Will not repeat these things at all in our tense at all, because I'm mentioning here, I'm writing here all the things in the table. Okay, we'll discuss about only examples. So, and all the past dates in time will like March 1945, 1948, 1999, next 2005, 2019, 1945. Okay, the full name is 1945. We say like 1948, 1948. In short, we can say 1948, 1999, and then 2005, 2019. Okay, these kind of past dates in time, but it should not be 2021 or 2022 as compared to the present time. Future का नहीं होगा, सारा past का होगा. Okay, let's have the next one. Lesson number 2. Past continuous tense. The number 2 is past continuous tense, and its identity is रहा था, रहे थे, and रही थी. इसकी पहचान है आपकी रहा था, रहे थे, एंड रही थी. ओके, एंड वी मेंशन से रहा था, से रही थी basically past perfect continuous tense. Okay, let's have the helping verb are was and were. The helping verbs are was and were. And the main verb is, in all the continuous tense, the main verb is first to plus ing. First to plus ing. With he, she, it, even I, we use was. Okay, with I, we use was, and with you, we, they, will use were. Was that clear? So the helping verbs are was and were. The main verb is first plus ing, and we'll use was with he, she, it, and even I, and were with you, we, they. And the adverbs are those days, at that time, at that moment, at that time, at that moment, those days, at that time, at that moment. Don't forget that the same kind of basically adverbs just like look like same. We have mentioned or we have written in present continuous tense to at this time, at this moment, like that. And in past continuous tense just mention at that time, at that moment. Okay, and at that time yesterday, last day. At that time yesterday, last day. At that moment yesterday and last day. Okay, at that time yesterday, at that time last day, at that moment yesterday, at that moment last day. Okay, just mention the adverbs of basically of your past indefinite tense. By adding your at that time, at that moment, you will have the adverbs of your past continuous tense. Is it clear? Or next you can mention like that, like at that time last week. Okay, mention it. At that time, moment plus last week, month and year. Okay, just example, listen me carefully. At that time or at that moment, कुछ भी लिखा होगा. At that time, at that moment plus last week, at that time last week, at that time last month, at that time last year. I have mentioned last first here. Okay, at that time last week, at that time last month, at that time last year. Is it clear? Similarly, you can mention like that. At that moment last week, at that moment, just remove your time here. At that moment last week, at that moment last month, at that moment last year. Okay, just add the adverbs of your past indefinite tense just with at that time, at that moment. Basically you will find out the basically adverbs of your past continuous tense. But the basic adverb that are used in past continuous tense are those days, at that time and at that moment. Okay, let's do the next one. I repeat that again. Even with I will use was. Don't forget that, like, don't you are mentioning like that he with he, she, it, we use was, and with I, you, with they, we use were. We are writing our sentences like that, or we are learn the examples in this form, but don't forget that was is also used with I. Okay. Let's do the number third. Past perfect. The next is past perfect tense. चुका था, चुके थे, and चुकी थी. आ था, ई थे, and ई थी. These words helps you to know basically the translation very well. Okay, like the last word or the last akshar in Hindi we can have चुका था, चुके थे, चुकी थी, आ था, ई थे, like that. And the helping verbs are only helping verb, only single helping verb we have. Helping verb only single we have, it is had. It is only had. And the main verb is third form. Main verb is third form. And either we have singular subject or plural. Just mention your had there. Either you have singular subject or plural subject, then mention your had there. Okay. Then will not have adverbs at all. Will not have adverbs at all. Will have conjunction. Just mention or conjunction. Or conjunction, because in this example, in this tense, we'll have conjunctions. Let's say, for example, we have before, after, when, as soon as, etc. We use the conjunction in past perfect tense like before, after, when, and as soon as. Note, very important note. Okay, if the note number 1. Okay, we'll have had plus third form. We'll have had plus third form. Note. Number 1, had plus third form, before, and then second form. Number 2, second form, after, and then had plus third form. Okay. Number 3, when, second form, and had plus third form. Number 4 is as soon as, second form, as soon as, had plus third form, then we have second form. Okay. In past tense, in past perfect tense, we'll use the conjunction like before, after, when, as soon as. Okay, don't forget that. And there is a condition to use these conjunction in this tense basically. For example, if there is before in a sentence, you will find your had plus third form just before. Okay, अगर before है तो आपकी had plus third form जो आपकी main basically helping verb और main verb है वो आपको before से पहले मिलेगा, and just after before you will have your second form. If you have after, conjunction after, if in your sentence, just mention your second form first, and your had plus third form will be just after your after. Okay. If you have when conjunction in your sentence, like just mention your second form just after when, and you will have had plus third form just after this formalities. When, second form, you will find second form just after when, and had plus third form. If there is as soon as, I have mentioned as soon as, just mention your had plus third form just after as soon as, and after this you will have your second form. It means that we'll have two sentences in this tense. Example, you may have your basically your principal clause, your subordinate clause, you may have your main clause, you can have your dependent clause. Is it clear? We'll have two clauses in this sentence. We'll discuss about it, but when we'll have our examples. Okay, don't forget that when we'll have example, we'll discuss about the same. I repeat that again. Don't forget that these conditions are reversible. These conditions are reversible. Reversible doesn't mean that कि है थर्ड आपका यहाँ पर आ जाएगा, सेकंड फॉर्म आपकी यहाँ पर आएगी, वो नहीं है. It means that your main clause may come after your subordinate one, or your subordinate clause may come just before your main one. But if you are writing your subordinate clause before your main clause, you have to mention comma before the main one. But if you are writing your main clause before your subordinate one, there is no need to mention comma, because the conjunction will be between two clauses there. Okay. It speaks about a basic conjunction in past perfect tense. in the last tense. And the last one is number 4th one, past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. से रहा था, से रही थी, and से रहे थे. से रहा था, से रही थी, and से रहे थे. The same thing we have mentioned in present perfect continuous tense also, like से रहा है, से रही है, से रहा था, से रही थी in past perfect continuous tense. And the helping verbs are, we have only single helping verb. They are not helping verbs at all. Just we have helping verb. Helping verb is had been. We have single helping verb is had been. The main verb is, like in present perfect continuous tense we had has been and have been. We have here had been. Okay, had been, had plus been, and the main verb is first form plus ing. Either you have singular or plural subject, you will use only had been. He, she, it, I, you, we, they. Just use your had been. Your had been. And verbs are scenes. We'll have adverbs here, scenes and for. We'll have scenes and for. We'll have scenes and for. The same we had used in present perfect continuous tense. Is that clear, students? So it's all about your table number 2 of past tense. Close it down. इसे बंद कर दो पूरा का पूरा. Close it properly. Okay. The last one is the past perfect continuous tense. से रहा था, से रही थी, से रहे थे, and the helping verb is had been, and the main verb is first of plus ing. We'll use had been with singular and plural subject, you know that very well, and we'll use since and for as an adverb, and we'll discuss about the example in our next class. But don't forget to just write down the same thing in a fair notebook, because in our next class we'll not discuss about the structure at all. So you have to move, you have to proceed with the basic ideas of table number 2 first, then we'll have our examples. Okay, thank you, students.